Good morning, lovelies. I appreciate you joining us here at Our Sweet Home Life. We're going to be making some little bunnies today out of washcloths. They're no-sew. You just use rubber bands and a washcloth. And look how cute those are. And they hold a little egg that you can put candy in, or you can actually put a cube of ice in it for a boo-boo bunny to put on your child's boo-boos. And look at the little tail. So we're going to be talking about how to create these little bunnies today. Okay? So we're just going to start with a washcloth. Just a regular size washcloth. And so we're going to take it at the corner and just roll it up. Okay? So we have some cotton balls here for the tail. We have an assortment of eyes. We have some assortment of colored ribbon, rubber bands, and a piece of pink felt. And that's all we need. So I'm going to take a rubber band. You saw how I rolled it up. And then I just folded it in half. And so I'm going to take a rubber band, like so. And then you're going to bend this back. And you're going to take another rubber band. And just fold, see how I folded those ears down? And just fold that down like that. So he's flat. And you're going to pull your rubber band up like this so his ears will stand up. Now see how easy that was? Then we're going to take some colored ribbon. I'm going to choose this bright pink. And we're just going to take it, I guess I'll see how much I need before I cut it, and tie a bow. Around him. Around his little ears. Okay, so then we'll just cut the ribbon. Just to bow a little bit. Okay, got a little bow on there. And then I'm going to take me some eyes. Little eyes. Okay, gotta get two eyes about the same size. I want these smaller ones. That one's a little bit larger. See if we can find another one that's about the size. Okay, there's two about the same size. And I have my hot glue gun heated. And I'm just going to put a speck of glue on that. And then place the eye. Do the same with the other eye. Then I'm just going to cut a little square off the tip here. Just a small little tip. And see how that made it just like a rectangle? And then I'm going to use that for its mouth. So I'm going to put just a touch of glue on his mouth and kind of turn it upside downwards to be his little mouth and nose. And see how cute that is? And I'm going to, you can glue a little piece of cotton. If yours sticks up, it doesn't always stick up like that, but sometimes it does. And you just glue your little ball on that. And you can glue that down if you want, or you can leave it up. I'm kind of leaving mine up to hold the egg. And so then, you place your egg in it, like so. And if your child has a boo-boo, then you can use it like for an ice pad, just by taking it off and putting the ice in it and closing it back up. and that ice will get cold, and the kids will just think that is the neatest thing. But of course, for Easter, you can add candy to that. But isn't that so cute? And it doesn't take but just a minute to make them. Just adjust in that rubber band while the rubber bands are together. But I thought those were so cute, and children would just love those. And so we can just add those to our Easter basket. I have one, this orange one, in there. So now I'll add another little bunny to my Easter basket. It's hard to see them in the Easter basket, but got a white one and got this little orange one. And I appreciate you joining me today at Our Sweet Home Life. Thank you. Have a blessed day.